Hello, I'd like to give you a short introduction to the Greenfoot Java IDE. Greenfoot is an integrated development environment for writing Java programs. Students can create and control graphic objects in the Greenfoot environment, which emphasises the object-oriented nature of Java. Greenfoot was developed by the University of Kent and is available as a free download. There are also numerous online tutorials and a Greenfoot YouTube channel going through several examples and exercises that students can use to learn how to program in Java using Greenfoot. There are a number of excellent IDEs around to teach coding to students. So where does Greenfoot fit into the scheme of things? Well, most of you will be familiar with Scratch or Blockly, and these are really powerful environments for teaching younger students about coding. They are graphically based, drag and drop, and allow students to focus very much on the problem solving without the complications of having to learn the syntax of a written language. Eclipse is at the other end of the spectrum. It's for writing powerful programs using text, and is really good for older students that want to really explore coding in greater depth. In my opinion, Greenfoot falls between these two. It is drag and drop, it is very visual, but it also provides some scope for students to actually type some code and use some syntax of the Java language. So, in my opinion, it fills the gap between the early IDEs, such as Scratch, and the more advanced IDEs, such as Eclipse. And it's ideal for middle school students from perhaps grade 7 through to about grade 9 or 10. So, what does Greenfoot look like? Well, here you have a picture of the Greenfoot interface. To program in Greenfoot, programmers define worlds and actors. They use code to describe how the actors will behave in a particular world, and finally they place actors in the world and set them going. In this way, we have classes, which are the worlds and the actors, and we have the objects, which are the specific examples of those classes. And in that way, Greenfoot very powerfully supports the basic concept of object-oriented programming. There are some sample programs at the website you can see on the screen there, www.greenfoot.org/scenarios. And in future videos, I'll give you a few ideas, a few demonstrations of how to get started. As I mentioned, there's also an excellent Greenfoot YouTube channel which gives many different examples and projects that students can get involved in.